Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you might be wondering how to take control of your XRP by moving it from Robinhood to Trust Wallet. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step, based on the latest updates for 2025. It's a straightforward task, but always remember that crypto transfers involve real money, so double-check everything to stay safe. First, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Robinhood account with XRP in it and Trust Wallet installed on your phone. Trust Wallet is user-friendly and offers great security for your assets, so it's a solid choice for beginners. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app and log in to your account. Head over to your portfolio and find your XRP holdings. Tap on it to access the options menu. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Robinhood might have slight variations in their interface, but it should be easy to spot. Step 3. Now, switch to your Trust Wallet app. Go to your XRP wallet. Make sure it's set up for the XRP network and copy the wallet address. This is crucial, so take a second to verify it's correct to avoid any mishaps. Step 4. Back in Robinhood, paste the Trust Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send, and don't forget to check for any transaction fees. Robinhood and the XRP network might charge small amounts, so factor that in. Step 5. Review all the details one last time, then confirm the transaction. Once you hit send, the XRP will be on its way. Transfer times can vary from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Step 6. Finally, open Trust Wallet and refresh your XRP balance to confirm the funds have arrived. If everything checks out, you're all set. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely in your own wallet. This gives you more flexibility for trading or staking. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.